Okay, y'all, I wanted to update you on my journey using OpenClaw, what I'm doing with my trading bot. So here's what it is. Boxy is my assistant. So what she's been doing, she's been giving me like a morning brief. And so what I have her do, I have her alert me at 7:30 every Monday through Friday what the market is doing, which direction it's going. She can alert me on what the SPY is, what the TQQ is, and then any news catalysts, any IPOs, anything that has earnings coming up, I get a morning brief. So I took it to the next level and set up my automation, and you can also do this too. Like I said, we got to think smarter now. And one thing that I want you to understand, the cool thing that I'm about to get into, I'm about to try to see if I can train Boxy how to trade. So if that is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned all the way to the end of the video because I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So what I've been doing, I've been using Boxy. She's like my AI agent, my assistant. Think of a personal assistant. Anything you want them to do, they could do it. So that's what she's been doing. Now, as far as my trading, I've been having her giving me signals. I've been having her giving me outputs on the stock market, whether it's going to be up or whether it's going to be down, whether they got news coming out. If anything is trending, she lets me know, and I can show you how I set this up. But here's the thing. So now what I want to do, I want to get a little crazy. I want to take this a little further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a second brain for my agent, Boxy, and I'm going to have her second brain become a sub agent. And what the sub agent is going to do, I'm going to teach the sub agent how to trade, how to learn stocks. And then I'm going to let the agent loose in the market and see if it can make me some money. Now, how I'm going to do this, I'm going to tell you right now. So look, all I did was ask my bot, Boxy, how can we do this? She gave me a rundown. So in this video, if this is something that you're interested in and want to learn more, because some people ask me, hey, what are you doing with that OpenClaw? What are you doing with trading? How you implement into trading? Well, make sure you hit that like button because that's going to tell me if I should make another video like this. And if I get enough likes, I will. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use a broker called, let me get this right, Alpaca. Now, this broker is specially designed for people who do algorithm trading, who have coding and bots and all that type of stuff, and they could have their bot enter the market and trade for them. Now, am I going to do this with real money? Yes, but at first you want to do paper money. So what I did with Boxy, I said, Boxy, how can I get this done? Now I'm gonna read to you, and give you the exact things that Boxy told me that you can do too. So look, number one, when I told Boxy what I'm trying to do, guess what she said? And this is fresh. I just did this today, so I am reading it. So this is not no script. So this is real live. Okay, so my agent name. She said she's gonna create a trading bot. I get to name it. Matter of fact, I want you to comment below a name, and I'm gonna name it whoever I like the name. So what we're gonna do is the mission. This is the mission. Her mission is to learn to trade using the Alpaca trading platform. No, no real money at first, just paper money. So I suggest you do that. Okay. And then we have to set up some tasks for the bot. So there's certain tasks that I'm going to use, and you could do this. This is what you could do. Create a dedicated Discord channel called Trading Bot Learning. So that's what you told me to do. I already got that. I already got a Discord channel. Connect to the Alpaca Paper Trading API. So you got to connect to your API. And you got to think of your API as a social security number. So you never want to get it out because somebody gets your API, they could do some very bad things. All right. So next thing, monitor my Alpaca account, of course. Use Yahoo Finance for free market data because you need to get some data to the bot. So we're going to use Yahoo Finance. All right, the learned behavior. This is maybe your learning behavior, but she's going to start to observe the market patterns for 3 days before making any trades. She's going to paper trade only the max of $500, stimulated, trading only. All right, she's going to log every trade decision in the trading bot learning with reasoning and everything. She's going to track her win rate, her P&L, and she's going to her biggest mistakes. She's going to learn that because the bot can remember everything. All right, she's going to ask me approval before changing her strategy. So I'm going to give her some strategy. Now, here where you come in. If you got a great trading strategy and you've been having some winning plays, then implement into that your bot. Say, here, use my strategy. So that's what I do. Okay, now here's the rules, y'all. These are very important. Hard limits. Never trade more than 3 positions at once. Stop loss 2% per trade. No exceptions. Only trade between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Okay, market hours. We all know that. And then no penny stocks, no crypto to start. Just S&P 500. That's what I trade. I trade S&P 500. I do have a little crypto, but I trade S&P 500. Now the reporting, this is very important. Okay, post daily summary in my channel. Include trades made, reasoning, what worked and what didn't. Tag me in the trade. That's all she's going to do. So this is going to be on auto. I'm not going to have to do nothing. Now she's going to have some certain skills to install, like what it say, section filing, watcher, stock analyst, and system monitor. Now that's some things that we're going to install in the trading bot and let it see what it do. But main thing is me focusing on what I know and teaching everything that I know. And I know a lot because I lost a lot and I won a lot, you know. And you as a trader, you only time you're going to win if you lose first. So once you start to lose, then that's when you're going to turn around and start to win, because you're going to know why you lost. You're going to learn from those mistakes, and that's going to make you a better trader. So in my channel, I try to help people along. I try to help. And then, like I said, I'm not no super guru trader, and you know, everybody's out there doing all and stuff, might have Lambos and all this and that, and you know, I really don't even know if they could trade, but I do know from experience of how I traded, how I started off, and where I'm at now. And I learned a lot down my journey, y'all. Definitely a lot. So I love to share everything in my journey. If you're a new trader or you've been trading, let's work on some plays. I'll put the link down below to the Alpaca trading site so you can do that. And then just make sure you hit that like, because I got some more videos where we're going to deep dive and you're gonna see everything that I'm doing play by play. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, and then if this is something that is just amazing, then please share it. It only helps me and helps my channel grow. Thank you, y'all.